If every decision needs you, you didn't build a team. You built an approval queue with a calendar invite. A customer is waiting. A release feels risky, so you ask for updates, check every choice, and become the person every decision has to go through. You can see tickets move, pull requests open, and a dashboard go green. You still can't see which choice will hurt reliability, break a customer promise, or add another week of waiting. That's where micromanagement starts. Not because you're a bad person, because the team has no clear way to show you risk. The fix isn't trust the team more. The fix is to be clear about three things: what the team can decide, what tells you the work is going sideways, and when they need to pull you in. Quick thanks to DevStats for sponsoring this video. Most dashboards are great at making charts that everybody sees and nobody actions. DevStats is a lot more useful. It pulls together DORA, flow metrics, AI impact, and engineering investment, so everyone can see where the team is actually spending time, where delivery gets stuck, and what should be fixed. Check out DevStats. The link is up here and in the description. Back to the video.
Everything is green. Why does this feel dangerous?
Because green is an activity color now.
And you're sure this is the latest?
Positive.
You can ask for 5 more updates. We will still be guessing what needs you.
If the signal gets punished, the signal learns camouflage.
Start with what the team can decide. Build the integration is a task. Cut onboarding time without adding support work or losing auditability. Tells people what they have to protect while they figure it out. Keep small, reversible choices with the team. If it affects another team, a customer promise, compliance, production reliability, or some hard-to-undo architecture choice, give it a clear review path. That's not permission theater. It's a map. Without it, engineers either wait for you or they make some risky call on their own, one you're going to notice later when it comes back to bite you. Then stop using commits, hours, meetings, and ticket counts as proof the work is fine. Ticket count. I still understand why people measure that. That's so stupid. They don't tell you whether delivery is flowing, the service is reliable, or the team is getting stuck. Use signals that start the right conversation. Don't pretend a dashboard can do your job for you. SRE teams already work this way. They don't ask an executive to approve every deploy. They use objectives, monitoring, alerts, error budgets, and escalation. Normal work stays with the team. When something crosses a line, the right people get pulled in.
This crossed the rule. Good. Bring me the decision, not every ticket.
Cut the optional work. Protect the commitment.
Inspectable work? Fewer hostage updates?
So that you more or less did all of what I'm hearing the same with X-Mitras.
One real signal beats a wall of status.
If every change needs 5 teams to quietly agree behind the scenes, you have a meeting factory with a Jira board. Clear ownership and platform contracts make those handoffs visible before someone books another surprise meeting. Say exactly when the team needs leadership involved. A customer promise is a risk. A production reliability line has been crossed. A regulatory issue shows up. The scope fight won't get resolved. The plan no longer matches what you now know. Reward people for raising that early with evidence. If every escalation turns into blame, they'll hide the next one until it's expensive. And yes, some teams need tighter control for a while. Some work is high risk. A serious incident is not the time for a feelings workshop. Fine, use a tighter mode. But say what skill is missing, what gets reviewed, and what has to change before the team gets more room again. If you can't say that, you're not coaching. You're keeping yourself as the bottleneck. The next time you want to check every task, don't ask why they can't just keep you updated. Ask what decision, signal, or escalation rule is missing. Fix that. Then the team can move without waiting for your nervous system to approve every step.